My name is Mark Volansky. I'm Director of Sales at Winkle Industries. We've been part of the GRIB Group since about December of 2019. Our company, Winkle, has been in business since 1949, and we've been primarily a family-owned company until now. Until now, we're part of the corporate world, if you will. But we've been primarily family-owned for my entire career, which has been longer than I would care to admit. We're a manufacturing company that does material handling equipment. But let me qualify that. When I talk about material handling equipment, we provide engineered solutions for material handling equipment. So anytime they're moving steel, for example, our primary industries are steel, scrap, downstream facilities. These are the guys who handle steel after it's manufactured, and ports. So we're problem solvers. We're a manufacturer. We do a lot of stock stuff, but because of our engineering expertise, which we have a lot of, we utilize that engineering expertise to get ourselves into a lot of positions to help customers solve problems. That's really where we shine. Our philosophy is, and it always has been, if you've got an idea, we need to pursue it because our competition is tough. Our competition, they're not sitting back on their laurels. They're gonna do a lot of exciting things too. So we have to be one step ahead of them. So we've got an engineering team. We're very blessed to have some really smart guys. But if a guy like me comes to them with an idea and they take it and run with it, that kind of makes their day. They're excited about that because they know they'll give us an edge over our competition. The idea behind the HYD Mag is for the customer who wants to have a solution where he doesn't have to worry about having a hydraulic unit on his machine, whether that's diesel engine driven or maybe hydraulically driven. This will give him the opportunity to have a tool at the end of the stick where he can do some cleanup, separate the ferrous material from the non-ferrous, whether it's a construction site or demolition site or whatever it might be. It'll give him the ability to clean that area up and kind of comb it, if you will. If you see the fork, the reason for those is they kind of like combs the ground and separates that material so he can pick up the ferrous material and make use of that and sell it or whatever they're going to do with it. I think some people who are not involved in the industry, what they fail to realize when a demolition company goes in and they demo a building or whatever it might be, nothing goes to waste. They turn everything into cash. It's somewhere along the line. And a tool like this, the HYD Mag is one of those tools, one of the many tools that they can use to help that become successful. When GRIB purchased us, they were looking for an entrance into the United States market. And the Winkle brand is known all over the U.S. and a lot of places internationally. And even if somebody is not really doing business with us today, they know who Winkle is because of the brand. So I think we brought that to GRIB. And what they brought to us is kind of like the economies of scale. They gave us deeper pockets, if you will. So we're doing things now that we maybe 10 years ago we didn't do because we have the resources down. So it's really helped us our sales team to grow and further develop the Winkle brand.